Hey everybody, what's going on? It's Mr. Hino with Mr. Hino's Lego Robotics. Well, I have it. It is the Spike Prime Rubik's Cube solver. This dude is cool. We did an EV3 one before, but it was not as consistent as the Spike Prime one. This dude is awesome. If you want to see it, stay with me.
Hino, Lego Robotics.
Oh yeah. Okay guys, so I got to give it up for David Gilday for the building instructions and program for this thing. This thing is so cool. So basically it's going to utilize your color sensor, ultrasonic sensor, and these three motors here to solve a Rubik's Cube. I was a little skeptical at first, because we did the EV3 before.
It's like a cross.
Yeah. He's doing the first one.
Let's go.
And it was just so inconsistent. The cube would slip. And, it could have been a building, miscalculation. Who knows? But this guy is super consistent. Every single time it will solve this thing. So today what I want to do is just give you a quick look around it and definitely let you see this guy solve this Rubik's Cube. Okay, so let's give you a quick little tour of this Rubik's Cube solver. So you'll obviously put the cube right there. This is the arm that will flip it and hold it down when it's rotating down below. The color sensor here will scan the colors of the cube before you actually would, have it start to solve it. And the ultrasonic sensor will just see that there is actually a cube right there. And so we have a few motors here. This motor will activate the arm to scan. This motor here will obviously control the flipping of the cube and to keep this down if it's the platform here is going to rotate. And then we have a motor down here that will rotate this platform to turn the cube. So again, David Gilday, thank you again for this awesome build. It's really cool, and we even have minifigs here to root you guys on when you have it solve the cube. So let's go ahead and power this guy on and see this guy solve this cube. Okay, just a word to the wise. When you're downloading this, and I'll leave you the link to this download and the building instructions, please be patient, because I was impatient and was wondering, hey, how come this thing's not working? It just takes a while for it to download. So just give this, program some time. So we're going to start this guy up. And we'll just go ahead and put that into the platform there. And here we go. And it looks like it's done scanning. Let's solve this thing. What's cool is to see this thing, the progression on solving it. You start to see the colors start to stack up. Are you kidding me? Yes. Look at that thing. Completely solved by the Spike Prime Rubik's Cube solver. So again, thank you, David Gilday. That's an awesome robot right there. Okay, guys, so wow. Mind-blowing. Thank you, David Gilday. I'll be honest with you. I do a lot of, downloading of instructions and programs, for Lego EV3, Spike Prime. That was the most complete instructions download I have seen in a long time. So thank you, David, for making that so easy to follow, from the building instructions to the program. Even the program, he gave like troubleshooting things and tips, and it was just amazing. So again, I left you that link down in the description if you want to build that and program that for your Spike Prime kit. That is an amazing robot. And again, the thing I love about it, it's so consistent. Other robots, it would slip, the cube would actually fall out. This one here, solid every single time. So awesome build. Thank you again, David. I can't give you enough props, okay? All right, guys, hope you enjoyed the Spike Prime cube solver there. I am Mr. Hino from Mr. Hino's Lego Robotics. I'm out.
He's out.
He's out.
We got this.
We got this.
We got this, guys.
Hey guys, Mr. Hino here. Thank you so much for watching. And if you love robotics, don't forget to check out these videos also, because they're cool. Okay guys, take care.